What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Hulu subscription. So if you are subscribed to a Hulu plan and you want to cancel your subscription, here's how to do it. So first, you'll need to open the browser and open the Hulu website on your phone or on your PC, sign in with your account, and then head to your account page, the account section, and then under your subscriptions, you'll see the option to cancel your subscription. So after you choose cancel, you'll be presented with the option to pause your subscription. If you want to pause it for a certain time, then let it continue. Or you can continue to cancel it if you want to. And then when the option comes, you can select cancel subscription and your Hulu subscription will be canceled.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.